Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today we have a walkthrough video on a beautiful 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This boat is Sea Ray blue with the stone interior, one of the most popular color combinations. So we have gray sea deck on the swim platform, powered by a 300 horsepower white Mercury Verado. Very smooth and reliable performance. This motor matches up perfectly with this boat. See the sun lounger in the back. There's an immense amount of storage underneath. Very nice pass through into the cockpit, where we'll find stereo controls, freshwater washdown, integrated floor cooler, boarding step on the starboard side, and we'll see the very nicely laid out cockpit. Wraparound seating, blue LED lighting. Do have Fusion speakers added to the tower. Integrated cooler on the starboard side. And plenty of storage on the port side. As we'll see, the passenger and helm chairs, both backrests, slide forward for rear-facing lounging. Full digital dash with 9-inch SIMRAD. Digital throttle and controls, Fusion stereo. Moving over to the port side, we'll check out the very nicely laid out head vacuum flush system and stainless sink. This boat does have the bow and cockpit tables, bow filler cushion, and we'll finish off with the very nicely laid out bow seating. Plenty of space for 2 to 4 people. And this boat does have an electric windlass as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-528-2628. Thanks for joining, and hope to see you in the store soon.